Fast monetizing a YouTube channel. Monetizing a YouTube channel is a goal for many content creators looking to turn their passion into a sustainable source of income. While there is no guaranteed formula for instant success, there are important steps you can take to increase your chances of fast monetization on YouTube. Here are some key strategies to consider. 1. Define your niche. Find a specific topic or theme for your channel that aligns with your passion and expertise. Focusing on a niche helps you target a specific audience, making it easier to build a loyal subscriber base. 2. Create high-quality content. Invest time and effort into producing high-quality videos that stand out from the competition. Use professional-grade equipment, edit your videos meticulously, and ensure your audio and visuals are of excellent quality. Engaging and valuable content is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers. 3. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags. Implement effective SEO, search engine optimization, techniques to make your videos more discoverable. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your chances of appearing in search results and suggested videos. 4. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first impression viewers get of your videos. Create visually appealing and attention-grabbing thumbnails that accurately represent your content. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates. 5. Build a strong brand. Develop a unique brand identity that reflects your channel's personality and resonates with your target audience. Consistency in your logo, banner, and overall visual style helps viewers recognize and remember your channel. 6. Consistency and frequency. Upload videos regularly to maintain a consistent presence and engage your audience. Choose a realistic upload schedule that allows you to consistently deliver quality content without burning out. Aim for at least one video per week to start. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback from your viewers. Build a community by actively engaging with your audience, showing appreciation for their support, and incorporating their suggestions into your content. 8. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborations with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and gain new subscribers. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, interviews, or guest appearances to leverage each other's audiences. 9. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to expand your reach beyond YouTube. Engage with your social media followers and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. 10. Focus on viewer retention. Pay attention to watch time and audience retention metrics, as they are crucial factors in YouTube's algorithm. Create engaging content that keeps viewers watching and encourages them to explore more of your channel. 11. Enable monetization features. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, enable monetization on your YouTube channel. This includes joining the YouTube Partner Program, enabling ads on your videos, and linking an AdSense account to receive payments. 12. Diversify your revenue streams. While ad revenue is a primary source of income on YouTube, explore other monetization options to diversify your earnings. These can include brand sponsorships, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or courses. 13. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Identify trends, popular video topics, and areas for improvement. Use this data to refine your content strategy and optimize your videos for better results. 14. Stay updated with YouTube policies and trends. YouTube's policies and algorithms frequently change, impacting channel monetization and visibility. Stay informed about these updates and adapt your content strategy accordingly to stay ahead of the curve. 15. Patience and perseverance. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by slow growth or initial setbacks. Stay dedicated, consistently improve and adapt your approach, and be patient. Keep producing quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring different monetization avenues. 16. Create a website or blog. Establishing a website or blog can complement your YouTube channel and provide additional opportunities for monetization. You can share behind-the-scenes content, written articles, and promote your videos and merchandise. 17. Offer value-added services. Consider offering additional services related to your niche, such as coaching, consulting, or speaking engagements. Leverage your expertise and audience trust to provide valuable services that can generate income beyond YouTube. 18. Attend industry events and networking opportunities. Participate in industry conferences, meetups, and networking events to connect with fellow content creators, brands, and potential sponsors. Building relationships and partnerships in the industry can open doors for collaborations and monetization opportunities. 19. Optimize your channel layout. Organize your channel's homepage to showcase your best and most relevant content. Create playlists, feature popular videos, and ensure your channel layout is visually appealing and easy to navigate. A well-organized channel encourages viewers to explore more of your content. 20. Seek sponsorships and brand partnerships. As your channel grows, you can approach brands relevant to your niche for potential sponsorships or partnerships. Brands may be interested in promoting their products or services through your videos, providing an additional source of income. 21. Offer exclusive content to loyal fans. Consider creating a membership program or offering exclusive content to your most dedicated fans. This could include bonus videos, behind-the-scenes access, or special perks for those who subscribe or support your channel through a paid membership. 22. Leverage YouTube's features. Take advantage of YouTube's built-in features like end screens, info cards, and annotations to promote your other videos, merchandise, or external websites. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share your videos to increase engagement and visibility. 23. Stay compliant with YouTube's policies. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's policies and guidelines to ensure you stay compliant. Violating these policies can lead to demonetization or even the termination of your channel. Adhere to copyright regulations, avoid deceptive practices, and create original content. 24. Learn from successful YouTubers. Study successful YouTubers in your niche and analyze their content, strategies, and engagement techniques. Take inspiration from their success while adding your unique touch and style to stand out from the crowd. 25. Seek feedback and adapt. Actively seek feedback from your audience, fellow creators, and mentors. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to improve your content, delivery, and overall channel strategy. Adaptation and continuous learning are vital for long-term success. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel and monetizing it takes time, effort, and persistence. Keep refining your content, engaging with your audience, and exploring different avenues for monetization. By following these steps and staying dedicated, you can increase your chances of fast monetization on YouTube. Thanks for watching.